Hey there, my name is Mark, your promoter, and today I'm going to tell you all about LG WashTower, a digitally integrated washer and dryer in a vertical one-body unit. And where do we start? It's gotta be this incredible center control, which, if you think about it, just makes sense. Now, I'm 192 centimeters tall, but for most people, the top panel can be a real pain. Center control is where you can actually see and reach without tiptoeing or getting on a stool. And one panel instead of two saves that much more space in your laundry room and makes this compact and elegant design beautiful, isn't it? We're getting rave reviews from everyone. But you know what's really amazing about center control? It gets my washer and my dryer talking to each other. So the dryer knows what the washer is doing, and it pulls those settings from downstairs so you don't have to. And it even gets itself ready to go as soon as washing's done. Pretty smart, eh? Well, that's just the start. WashTower uses AI to detect what and how much I put inside. And I can put a whole lot in there. So it can automatically figure out the optimal setting for that load, which also reduces fabric damage. Add to WashTower's awesome intelligence some serious power. With Turbo Wash 360 jetting spray from 5 different directions, WashTower can power through your load in just 30 minutes. Of course, you all know about LG's amazing steam technology, which gives you allergy care cycle to get rid of all that nasty stuff. And for all this, WashTower uses dual inverter heat pump compressor, which is super energy efficient, so you can save on your energy bills and do your bit for planet Earth. That compressor and the long, durable inverter direct drive motor both come with a 10-year warranty, which is our way of helping you cut waste and build a better life for all. So, this is one masterpiece, from powerful washing and drying performance to incredible intelligence, energy efficiency, durability, and even this fantastic design. Sure to completely transform your laundry game. This is LG WashTower, your choice for a better life.